Alright, we're gonna play with the blocks today. Yay! Oh no, Leo. Alright. Yeah, let's see how many we could do here. Can you build the blocks up? Ah, that's it. Alright. That's the yellow one. That's the yellow and the blue. What about the little block? Alright, try it again. Oh no. What are you doing? No, come here, let's do the blocks here. What are you doing? Get over here. Put that down. Put that. Okay, come here. Alright, Daddy's gonna do some building. You can. Ah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wanna knock it down? Oh, really? The engine open? Alright. Come here, look, I'm building some... What do you got going on? What are you looking for? You want to paint? Don't paint. To paint? What colors? What do you have? What are you looking for? Oh, really?